I am not punching. Are you being racist?
Hey everybody, it's another Dark RP video, and I'm here with Creative.
Obama.
Hi friend, how are you today?
I'm very good, how are you?
Can I step in and have services?
Sure, come on.
Alright, should we just kill him?
Yes. Would you like to join the cult of the bird?
The pros of
The pros?
cult.
Cult of the bird. You earn eternal wealth. The bird loves all, because he is the word.
And who is the bird?
No one knows. He is just the bird. He could be outside your window right now, chirping.
No, that sounds pretty good, but I have to decline, sorry.
Okay, you get.
Okay.
You me.
The cult.
I'm the gun shop owner now.
Excuse me, Mayor. Would you like to join the cult of the bird? Alright. Do you
Join.
accept the bird as your one and only Lord and Savior?
Tell me when.
Let me inspect you.
Tell me when. If
The
I can
bird
shoot him.
does not supply you. Shoot him. You shall. The bird does not accept you. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Would you like to join the cult of the bird?
No.
But the bird will not be happy with you. The bird, you need the bird.
Oh really, mother?
Oh, really, motherfucker? Yeah, steal his car, steal his car.
Yeah, what up?
Go!
Shit.
Mayor, did you have a car?
Where's the mayor?
Where is it?
Is he seriously in the gun shop?
Let me out, But I thought guns were AOS, Mayor.
You can get in the passenger seat.
Go!
Get in.
Go!
Oh my god, later.
Sucker. Oh god.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Sorry,
No.
my bad, sorry.
I'm okay.
The door won't go up.
Mayor,
Mayor, we're giving your car
Sorry.
back. We're
Come on.
sorry. Come on, we'll give you your car back.
We should leave.
Later.
There goes all his money.